Afternoon, folks. It's Mark Wilson again. What I have here is a little itty-bitty Sears Roebuck fan. Not sure, probably 42-inch configuration, maybe 36. But I want to say, I'm thinking, looking at the blades, probably 42. But yeah, I picked this up yesterday for free, and yeah, I presumably had a light kit at one point in time. Made this inference by the lack of screw at the end of the switch housing cap, and the looks like there's some scratches around there, so indicative of a light, maybe a globe light or more likely a schoolhouse light. But the blades have been painted white, sort of an off-white, and I have to say they actually did a pretty good job painting them too. You can see the brush strokes, but no missed spaces. Not sure what the original color was. I'm assuming wood grain of some kinds. But yeah, it's let's take it for a spin, shall we? Medium. Low. And off. Reverse works. High, medium, low. And yeah, not much else to really say about this fan. It's the reason I don't have it installed in the ceiling. It's missing the mounting bracket, which would connect both the fan itself as well as the motor housing. So, oops. So yeah, here's what it looks like on the other side. Yeah, there we go. Okay, looks like it was made in January of 1989. Made in Thailand. Alright, that's all. You folks have a great day.